Dear students of competitive exams and academics, today in lecture 1 version English medium our topic is adverb clause conditional sentences, that is also useful in subject verb agreement. You know, in subject verb agreement we see whether the verb of some clause relates to the other or not, and this is an adverb clause, and we will go through conditional sentences and see the agreement of the verbs. What is conditional sentence? Conditional sentence is such a sentence in which we use the word if, provided that, in case, supposing. Any one of these expressions can be used in place of if. If means agar ya yadi. If the part related to if is called condition and comma, and the other part is called result. We go according to condition and change the part of result, and sometimes we don't change. Let's begin with this first rule. In this rule, if plus we see a Hindi expression of future indefinite like वह जाएगा, वह आएगा, वह खाएगा, but this is not translated direct into English in future indefinite. Suppose we think अगर वह कहेगा, if he will say. After if, will and shall are always wrong. We change this future indefinite into present indefinite and we will have to write if he says. But the rest part of the sentence in future remains the same. I mean to say, the part of condition is changed from future indefinite to present indefinite. If is never followed by will or shall in the condition part, in the part of conditional clause. Then our sentence is I shall follow him if he says, or you can say if he says I shall follow him. You can write a result either in the beginning or in the ending of the sentence, but the changes will occur in the conditional part, that is if he says. In rule number 2, if we have any future expression but that is related to past. Now you will think there is an expression of past. Yes, there may be a Hindi sentence. अगर वह आया तो मैं पढ़ाऊंगा. आया shows past indefinite. It means we are writing here past indefinite, but actually it is the expression of future. If any expression of future is represented with past indefinite, then in the part of the result we change will into would and shall into should, and first form of the verb is written after this and the rest part of the sentence. In this way we have an example. If he went to America, went is a second form, then वह बहुत कुछ कमाएगा. कमाएगा means will, and this will be changed into would. In this way our expression will be if he went to America he would earn much. You can also write this part of result in the beginning, he would earn much if he went to America. This part of result may be in interrogative or assertive both. Now let's come to the rule number 3. If plus present activity. If plus present activity means in the part of condition, if your expression is in present, then we write it as it is. We write this expression as it is. Suppose अगर वह पढ़ रहा है, अगर वह पढ़ता है, अगर वह जानना चाहता है, such type of expressions of Hindi we write as it is. And when this expression occurs in present naturally, we take our result part according to the expression just as it is in present, imperative, future indefinite, and or in form of a model. Now you can think if plus present indefinite here and in the first part present indefinite here too. There is a difference. This present is for the future expression, but this present is for present only. If this present is only for present, then you use any one of these four, like this. If he studies, he is doing well. If he studies in present, he is doing well is the result in present. If he studies, you can also say he will pass. If you say if he studies, your result will be it is good or he may pass. May is a modal, is a linking verb. And if you say if he studies, let him do. In this way, these are the rules of adjective clause. And in next part of this video, we will see the rest rules, the remaining rules related to conditional sentences. Thanks.